Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallow on fire. First, gather your supplies. You will need a long stick, ideally 2 feet in length, to keep a safe distance from the heat. Choose fresh, large marshmallows for the best results. Next, ensure your fire is ready. You want a small, controlled fire with hot, glowing embers, not high, active flames for even cooking. Now, let's get roasting. Hold your marshmallow about 6 to 8 inches above the hot embers. The key here is consistent, slow rotation. This ensures that all sides of your marshmallow cook evenly, preventing one side from burning while the others remain raw. You are aiming for a beautiful, golden brown exterior, not a completely black, charred one. If you want that classic on-fire effect, here's how to do it safely. Briefly dip your golden brown marshmallow into a small, active flame. It will ignite quickly, so be ready. As soon as it catches fire, immediately pull it away from the flame. Then, gently blow out the flame to extinguish it. This leaves you with a wonderfully crispy, caramelized outer layer. Now for the best part, enjoying your perfectly roasted and flamed marshmallow. Be sure to let it cool for a few seconds before taking that first delicious bite. For an extra special treat, consider making s'mores by sandwiching your warm marshmallow with a piece of chocolate and 2 graham crackers. It's a classic for a reason. Also, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.